Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Start Easy Knowledge. Oxford Reading Book, Biff, Chip and Kipper Stories. This is stage 1, and in stage 1 there are 6 books. First is Who is It? Second is Floppy Floppy. It's a dog. Its dog name Floppy. Third book is Six in a Bed. Fourth one is A Good Trick. Fun at the Beach. Fifth and the last book from stage 1, The Pancake. This is Oxford Reading Tree, stage 2. There are also 6 books. The first one is Toys Party, New Trainers, A New Dog, What a Bad Dog, The Go-Kart, and the last one is The Dream. Oxford Reading Tree, Biff, Chip and Kipper Stories. This is stage 4. Stage 3 is missing. I don't have the set of stage 3. There are also 6 stories in stage 4. The first one is House for Sale. The New House. Come in. The Secret Room. The Play. The Storm. So many different words, question answer, different things he will. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share.